Greetings, my name is Don Carpenter. I'm a professor of civil engineering here at Lawrence Technological University. Now the outdoor dining patio here at LTU is actually made out of porous concrete paver blocks. Now the benefit of this is that traditional concrete or traditional asphalt, all the water that runs onto that pavement runs right off into our stormwater systems and right into our lakes and streams. Water that falls on porous pavement infiltrates into the ground where Mother Nature intended it to go. Now this particular concrete pavement right here is actually pretty clean, so the water running off isn't too bad. But most traditional asphalt and concrete driveways, parking lots, roads have a lot of pollutants in it. Things like E. coli, bacteria, pathogens, oil, grease, gasoline, heavy metals. And all of that gets right into our streams, rivers, and lakes and causes pollutants that we really don't want here in the Great Lakes. So this patio here is a Unilock EcoStone patio, and really what it's made up of then is interconnected paver blocks. So all these paver blocks set together, and they're on top of about 2 or 3 inches of a coarse sand to give it level stability. Underneath that sand is about 6 inches of coarse stone, and that coarse stone has a lot of pore space that stores all the water. So when you have a heavy rainfall event or runoff onto the patio like this, that water goes through that sand, through these individual little cracks, and then down into that stone reservoir layer. After the water's in that stone reservoir layer, it'll infiltrate down into the ground underneath the native lying soils, where Mother Nature will then purify or clean that water up before it gets down into the groundwater table. So if this entire patio was made up of concrete or asphalt, all the water that fell on this patio would run right off into our creeks and streams. But instead, because it's porous, the water gets down into that stone reservoir layer and into the ground where it's supposed to be.